Hello once again. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up multiple signatures in your Gmail. In the previous video, which you can find in the description section, you can find how you can set up just a single signature. So it turns out that in Gmail, you can set up as many signatures as you want. Let's say you want to set up signature for work, you want to set up signature for leisure. You can achieve this by going to Settings again and click See All Settings. Scroll back to where we set up the initial signature. As you can see, we've got this signature here. You can go on and click Create New. So in this case, let us call this leisure, or let us call it fun. That's the name of this signature. You click Create. Now you can go on and give it a name. You can write your address if you wish. You can write your phone number. You can put in your social media or whatsoever you want to put in your signature. If you want, you can do some, just make it beautiful as you want. You can change the color. So just like every other text, you can do anything you want to do here. If you want to add some images, you can do that as well, right? So after this, you can go down and click Save Changes. Your second signature has been saved. Now, what you want to do when you want to send the email, you click Compose. By default, we have this. If you want to choose the font signature, you can click on this little pen here and choose font. By default, we have the first one, which is used for professional purposes. So in this case, we want to use the one called font. You just click on it and this is your signature. I hope you don't mind the formatting here. You can just format it as you wish. So this is how you can create multiple signatures in your Gmail. So you can go on and create as many as you wish. I hope this has been helpful. Please, can I ask you to subscribe, to like, and to share? Thank you.